Hello, I am Katia Villanueva, a junior at Texas Women's University. My current major is Health Studies with master's preparation for prospective OT students. Here to represent the American Childhood Cancer Organization. Here to raise awareness on childhood cancer and how to seek help and support. My target population are those in the lower socioeconomic regions. In Dallas, which according to the Pew Research Centers are in the southern part of the city of Dallas, separated from wealthier areas by Interstate 30, or in downtown Fort Worth. Of the 306 majority lower socioincome census tracts in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, 83% are predominantly non-white. I chose this population because I am a minority. And knowing it is minorities who fall under lower socioeconomic regions, that puts us at a disadvantage not only in health, but also educational resources. It is in my interest to have the necessary knowledge in order to help those who are less fortunate and part of my community. Lifestyle is usually a risk factor that affects adults and their development of cancer, but for children it is a little different, since they do not practice certain lifestyle risks for long. According to the American Cancer Society, childhood risk factors are radiation exposure, parental exposures, and DNA. It is very rare for children cancers to be prevented. According to the Cure Search for Children's Cancer, every day 43 children are diagnosed with cancer. The average age of diagnosis is 6. 12% of children who are diagnosed with cancer do not survive, and more than 40,000 children undergo cancer treatment each year. The purpose of the American Childhood Cancer Organization is to help children go through cancer, help parents keep faith and have knowledge of all the resources available to them, and spread awareness in order for other parents to be aware of resources available for their children. The American Childhood Cancer Organization was founded in Washington in 1970. When founded, they were formerly known as candle lighters, founded by parents whose children suffered from cancer back when surviving was rare. According to the NIH, in 1974 through 1976, the 5-year relative survival rate for all childhood cancers combined was about 62%, and now the 5-year relative survival rate for all childhood cancers combined is now approximately 81%. The American Childhood Cancer Organization was funded to spread awareness about cancer in children and adolescents. The closest location would be in Fort Worth, Candle Lighters Childhood Cancer Foundation of Greater Fort Worth. Their P.O. Box is 1127 in Bedford, Texas, zip code 76095. The contact would be Terry and Tess Smith at 817-283-0800 with the website or an email address tesssmith@sbcglobal.net. Their logo is a parent hugging a child, which reiterates how the organization came about. Worried parents wanting to help those who were either going through what they were or had already gone through. I think that preventing adult cancer is the route for lowering the childhood cancer rates. A lot of cancers are preventable. The lifestyle we have in America promotes different types of cancers. Majority of our lifestyle puts us at higher risk of developing cancer and other diseases. By diminishing adult cancer rates, the lower risk children have of developing cancer and other genetic illnesses. I think that by spreading awareness of childhood cancers, resources of support centers and clinics available to adults or children who suffer from cancer and healthy lifestyles would cause cancer rates to decrease. By funding cancer research, we can make more progress in finding specific reasons for cancers in patients and be able to give the necessary treatments. If anyone needs any more information on the American Childhood Cancer Organization, please visit www.acco.com. According to the National Pediatric Foundation, only 4 additional drugs have been approved for use by both adults and children. The average cost of a stay in a hospital for children with cancer is $40,000, and only 4% of federal government cancer research funding goes to study pediatric cancer. The following image shows a few of the statistics for the risk of childhood cancer mentioned. The next image shows information on preventions, and the last image shows the behavior changes that could be affected by childhood cancer.